Established in 2008 under IIT Kanpur, the Rajiv Gandhi Institute of Petroleum Technology has 5 campuses across India, that is in Raebareli, JS in Amethi, Noida, Assam and Bangalore. Today we will focus on JS Amethi campus in UP, which has a 4.2 student rating on Shiksha.com. How is the BTech course here? Let's find out in this detailed college review. Starting off with the 3.9 rated placements. In 2024 placement drive that is ongoing, it is worth noting that RGIPT boasts of a strong placement record, with graduates securing roles in top companies like HPCL, Comet Technology, Shell Business Operations and Torrent Gas Limited, among others across various other sectors. In 2024, the highest package for chemical engineering was 17.33 lakhs from HPCL, while for petroleum engineering, it was 24 lakhs from Comet Technology Inc. Currently, average packages for BTech specialization ranges from 7.5 to 11 lakh per annum. According to the NIRF 2024 engineering report, around 69% of the students were placed in 2023, reflecting a 41% raise since 2021. The median package offered was 9.5 lakh per annum in 2023 month. Compared to the Indian Institute of Information Technology, Allahabad, RGIPT's median package is higher. RGIPT encourages internships and research through industry partnerships and offers up to 16 weeks of professional experience. Summer internships are available with global companies like Google, Microsoft, Apple, Amazon, Yahoo, Oracle, Sony, and many others. The BTech program offers 12 specialization and admission is based on JEE or JEE main scores with a requirement of 80% aggregate in class 12. The total fees for the 4-year BTech program is approximately 12.67 lakhs. With this fee structure and the median salary expectancy, the ROI is favorable, reflected by a 4.1 star rating for value for money. A merit cum mean scholarship covering 25% of the tuition fees is available for the select non-SC/ST students starting from the first semester. Now let's take a look at the infrastructure rated 4.6 stars. RGIPT Amethi, which moved to its permanent campus in JS in 2016, features modern classrooms, a well-equipped library open from 9 a.m. to nearly midnight, a campus-wide internet, a cafeteria, commercial complex, gym, and a temple. As a residential institute, it offers separate hostels for boys and girls with a mess providing vegetarian and non-vegetarian options. The Women's Cell ensures the safety and comfort of female students, organizing seminars and workshops since 2016. Transportation services are provided with a fleet of vehicles. Students appreciate the excellent infrastructure, including Wi-Fi enabled labs for subjects like C, Python, and AutoCAD, and a range of sports facilities like a cricket ground, volleyball and basketball courts, badminton courts, and indoor games like Carrom. Regarding faculty and curriculum, it has been rated 4.2 stars. Students praise the excellent facilities in petroleum and chemical engineering, with some professors ranking among the top 2% of researchers globally. Faculty members come from prestigious institutes like IIT and NIT, and the curriculum is highly relevant, similar to IIT courses. Moving on now to campus life, rated 4 stars. It includes various co-curricular and extracurricular activities such as Design and Innovation Center, Cultural Council, and Social Council. The college also hosts events like Kal Tarang, Pratidhwani, Garba Night, and celebrations for Deepavali, Eid, Christmas, and more. According to the NIRF ranking, RGIPT Amethi is placed 80th in 2024, dropping 1 rank from last year. For more details on Rajiv Gandhi Institute of Petroleum Technology Amethi and to check out thousands of course and college reviews, visit Shiksha.com. We'd like to hear from you, so do drop in a comment below and do not forget to like and share this video.